Hey there everybody, Aaron Rath here from Rat's Tesla. Want to do a quick video for you. We've got something new from our friends at Hannshow. We haven't gotten anything from Hannshow in quite a while, but we're back with them and they've sent us out a new yoke. So this new yoke is modeled after the S and X yoke style, so it's a little bit different than what I had. It has built-in heated function. It's made from 100% carbon fiber, racing inspired aerodynamics and style. This is gonna go in my wife's Tesla, in Tessa, because I already have a yoke in Slowpoke that I actually got from Hannshow back when they first started making them. So a quick unboxing. They've got instructions on how to put it to get in. It's super easy to install. The instructions are right there. I'm not gonna do an install video because I've done one before. I'll put a link to it up above, and there's a ton of them out there. So I'm not gonna do an install on it, but I do wanna unbox it and then I'll show it to you once it is installed in Tessa. So try and pull this out. I've only got one hand. So with this one too, this one comes with, I ordered it with a different cap for the airbag, but I will tell you that changing this is a little bit harder to do than installing it. This is really nice though. This is black Alcantara. Turn on the light a little bit. This is black Alcantara and it goes on the old airbag. So basically what you have to do is these little tabs are on the outside. You have to pry them loose. It takes about 4 screwdrivers to pry them loose from the old one, and then you just pop the new airbag, or pop the airbag inside this new one. And then here is the yoke. Wow, that's really pretty. This one comes complete, all the modules down inside. You got to take the module, out of the one that's in the car that goes down here. That has to do with the heated part of the steering wheel. So that comes out, it's really easy. It's just a couple screws and that comes out of down there. And then you just replace this, put this new one on, but this is really nice. It's black Alcantara. It's got nice looking around the outside. It's got your good scroll wheels. And then if we look at the backside, this whole backside is Alcantara. So I'm gonna go get this installed in the car and then I'll let you see it when I'm all done. All right, so here's the yoke installed. I put the old airbag cover back in. I haven't changed it out. I may go ahead and do that, but you can see it looks really nice on here with the screen. Again, this is from Hannshow, and right now you can use the code RATSTESLA until Easter and get 30% off of everything on their site. So make sure you use Rat's Tesla. I'll have a link in the description down below to this and to the website. And then I'll have the code down there as well. My wife came out and it's wife approved because my wife likes to drive with her hands here and with her hands here. She's shorter. And so she never puts her hands up top here. It's just not comfortable for her. These are her spots down here. So she is super excited to have this yoke on here and get that rolling. Like I said, you can get your very own from Hannshow. Their website is hautoparts.com, and I'll have that down here, down below. And make sure you use the discount code RATSTESLA at checkout for 30% off now until Easter. Once we're past Easter, then Rat's Tesla will still get you 10% off. Quick video today about our new yoke installation in Tessa, my wife's Model Y. They have this yoke for the 3 and the Y. It is after it's built in the shape of and to look like the Model S and X. Really nice construction, very well made. Super happy with the quality of this. Like I said, it installs in about 10 minutes. They have very good instructions inside the box on how to install. And not only that, but they give you the tool that you need to pop the airbag off. before they didn't used to do that, so I'd have to use like a screwdriver or an Allen wrench and poke it in there, but they give you the tools you need. So very, very quick and easy installation. So head on over to Hannshow and get yours today. Again, discount code RATSTESLA will get you 30% until Easter, 10% after that. But make sure that you subscribe to the channel. You hit the bell button so you get notified of new videos. Hit the like button, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. I know the Yoke is controversial. A lot of people like them. A lot of people don't like them. But my wife wanted one because it's the way she likes to drive. She loves to drive Slowpoke next door there with my Yoke in it. And so she wanted her very own, so we got it. So thanks for watching today. As always, get out, go drive, be safe, have fun, and we will catch you in the next video.